Hey guys, it's Asia and I'm gonna show you how I made a satin wrap top. So if you want to learn how to make that, then keep on watching. So to make this top, I used 1 yard of satin fabric, a plastic cord, and some black elastic. So to make this satin wrap top, I took my fabric and I folded it in half, and then I marked the center point of the fabric, and then I drew a straight line down the middle. And then I just cut through that line that I just drew. After that, I took one side of the fabric and folded it in half with the right side facing up and sewed down one side. And then I just turned the fabric right side out. So then I just closed both ends of the fabric by folding it in about a 1/2 inch and then sewing it down. So next I made a casing for my top, which is gonna hold the elastic string. And to do that, I just folded the fabric in about a 1/2 inch to 1 inch and then sewed that down. So now that one side of my top is done, I went ahead and repeated those exact same steps to the other side. So here's both sides of the top completely done. So the last thing that I need to do is feed my elastic through the casing on both sides. And then I just secured both ends of the elastic with a plastic cord. And this is how the top turned out. Super easy and super cute.